Hi, Keith Carroll here from Lifestyle Home Products. Does your home's exterior need a makeover? Well, I'm here to let you know at Lifestyles we have you covered. We have up to 18 different designer colors that'll enhance the beauty of your home.
Take advantage of Lifestyle's Spring Makeover event where we pay the tax or a free upgrade to one of our 18 designer colors for no extra cost.
Call today and let us transform your home with new Lifestyle windows and doors.
Call or click today and take advantage of Lifestyle's Spring Makeover event, where you save the tax or receive a free upgrade to one of our designer colors at no extra charge. Call at 1-800-465-0593 or head over to lifestyleproducts.ca.